Hi, I'm Jared, a student here at Island Coast. Like you, when it's time of the year when we have to pick our classes, my head starts spinning a little bit. This is a big school and there's tons of classes and options and teachers. Sometimes we either feel like we don't understand our options or we just don't know what they are. Well, today we're going to take a minute to hopefully make your decision easier. Here at Island Coast, we have things called academies. So think of academies like this. They're like programs within the school, kind of like college majors. It's a bundle of classes that Coast has put together to help you learn about a career that you might be interested in. Think of it as a playlist of classes that you'll take while you're here. And today we're going to tell you a little bit about each academy that we have here and even give you some insider info from the students who are currently in those academies. Sound good? Well, here we go. Off to our first academy.
What's chompin' Gators? Welcome to your first stop, the Academy of Information Technology, or IT for short. Information technology is just a fancy way of saying that we'll teach you tons of stuff about computers, software, digital media, cameras, web design, and more. With classes like gaming simulation, digital design, web design, video production, and more, you can earn real industry certifications in crazy software like Adobe Photoshop, Illustrator, Adobe Premiere for filmmakers, or Adobe Dreamweaver for website design. If you're interested in tech stuff, we'll teach you everything you need to know. You don't necessarily have to already be good at it, but you should be passionate about learning it. Here are a couple of our students here to tell you about their experience.
One of the first things we did was learn how to use all the tools in Adobe Premiere. So it's kind of cool seeing how at the beginning of the year you looked at it like it was some type of foreign language, and then at the end of the year you know how to use basically everything on the interface. Most memorable project was probably the film festival, short film thing, where we had to make a short film for a film festival to see if we could win a prize.
I'm in the digital media Photoshop class. Mostly I've learned how to pull stuff out of images, like pull an eagle out of the sky, or repairing old photos by changing the color contrast and maybe taking off a few broken edges or something. The careers you could probably get into are like photo repair specialists, graphic designers, web designers.
Did you know that Island Coast was the first school in Lee County to have a program like this? You won't find many others this awesome around the county either. In the Academy of Natural Resources, you'll get tons of hands-on experience in our on-site greenhouses and aquaculture facilities. On our on-site state-of-the-art laboratory provides an opportunity to apply what has been taught in the classroom. Students research, produce, and market a variety of marine species, including tilapia and freshwater prawns, crawfish, and baitfish in over 35,000 gallons of water. If this all sounds fun to you, you can ask your counselor more about it or check out what our students have to say.
The coolest thing I've learned by far is water quality, how to make the water better for the fish. We made the water quality better by fixing the pH, adding what we need for it.
My name is Donnie and I'm in aquaculture science. The thing that I learned that was very interesting was making an aquaponic system. And basically what that is like growing plants and stuff without having it in the ground for like the soil. So it has soil in it, but it's required to be in the ground.
Well, you start out, you learn about fish, you learn their parts, you learn how to take care of them, grow them, learn the diseases. And then you move into your plants. You have to learn diseases for plants, learn how to grow them, learn how to build your own systems. That's cool.
Do you have dreams of becoming the next big Wall Street tycoon? Or maybe you just want to open a small shop somewhere, like a hair salon or a corner store? Well, Island Coast has an awesome academy for you. In the Academy of Marketing and Business, you can learn all about entrepreneurship, which is a fancy word for going out on your own and starting a business. You can also learn about some of the most popular industries in Florida. the travel and tourism industry, and MLB's spring training programs. You can also learn stuff about sports and entertainment marketing. If you think that sounds pretty cool, here's what our students have to say about it.
I'm Jeremy and I'm in Intro to Entrepreneurship. Some of the things we learned was the different types of businesses, how to build a business, being in the mentality and the attention in that element. I'd recommend this class to anyone who wants to start a business and the process and that mentality, for sure.
Engineering is a brand new program being offered at Island Coast in 2017 and 2018. The program is challenging but rewarding and is focused on certifying students in the industry standard AutoCAD software SolidWorks. SolidWorks is used in engineering firms around the world to create 3D models and real-world designs such as bridges, buildings, cars, and more. Walt Disney World engineers, the brains behind the theme park attraction, including the rides and sets, use SolidWorks to design and create the things you see at the park. Even major tech companies like Apple, Samsung, HP, IBM, Intel, and Microsoft use SolidWorks in their designing and planning. Check out what current engineering students had to say about the program at Island Coast.
I think it's awesome for anybody, really. It doesn't really need to be for someone who really wants to go into the engineering program as a career, but it can be for anybody. Honestly, the best part about it is that you can make anything you want. You're the artist. You can create anything from a table to a chair to something as small as a Lego car, anything really, and it's just fun. It gives you a lot of opportunities to expand what's in your mind.
So far I love this program, and I really wanted to join it because I'm going into civil engineering. So this program was a really good start. We worked on underwater submarines, which was really cool, and we got them to work, and we are supposed to be racing them. And we also work on SolidWorks, which is just a program that you can build stuff, and then we might get to print them out. And currently I'm working on my certification for it, and if I was staying here longer, I would definitely continue in this program.
Pretty exciting stuff, right? So much cool stuff to do here. With all these awesome resources, programs, and teachers here at Island Coast, you'll have everything you'll need to be super successful no matter where you are heading after high school. Can you imagine what it would look like if all of our students got locked into something they loved here, earned certifications, and were ready for the world when the time came? I think the world will look a whole lot different. If you have any questions, feel free to ask your counselor. They know more than what we covered in this video. Well, good luck, and remember, keep on chomping, y'all.